Today, I'm going to share with you my mocktails and cocktails, which mimic many of the same ingredients I used in my appetizers for the white party. Stay tuned. Hi guys, and welcome back to Creative Glam. My name is Sharon. If you're new to my channel, hello and welcome. I'm so glad you stopped by. And if you're returning, thank you and welcome back. Make sure you hit the subscribe button below, along with the notification bell. Hit the notification bell twice. This way you'll be notified when I upload a new video and you don't miss out on any of my future video posts. Today on Creative Glam, I'm participating in a collaboration, and this collaboration is called the Step Into Summer White Party. And this collaboration is being hosted by Caron1310. Caron is an outstanding content creator here on YouTube. I will link her channel down below in the description box. I will also link the playlist to this collaboration so that you can see all the other content creators that participated. Now, the details of this collaboration is that we've been cordially invited to a white party. A BYOB, bring your own beverage, and a BYOA, bring your own appetizers. She also asked that we share our favorite summertime song. And there's a couple of them that are my favorites, but today I'm going to share with you the one by Will Smith and Jazzy Jeff, Summertime. I love that song. I still love it to this day. When I hear that song, I know it's on. It's officially summertime for me. Okay, so here's my spread that I'm taking to the white party. So today I'm going to share with you my blueberry caprese skewers and my Anjou pears with blue cheese and smoked turkey. My cocktails and mocktails mimic the same fruit ingredients that I used in my appetizers. My blueberry mocktails consist of your favorite lemon lime soda with blackberries and a sprig of basil or mint. And my cocktails consist of Prosecco with slices of Anjou pear and a sprig of parsley. For those of you that do not like alcohol, this is so refreshing, and it's beautiful to look at. It makes it taste even better because it's pretty. And then of course, those of you that do want a little alcohol in your drink, this is refreshing and it's light. It's not really heavy, but it's tasty. It packs a lot of punch, but it tastes really good. You can add a little lemonade to the mix if you like. Again, you can use seltzer water. You can use use lemon lime soda like I did, or you can use Prosecco as I did, and you can change your fruit up to whatever it is that you like. Now, speaking of appetizers, my appetizers consist of my au jus pears with blue cheese and smoked turkey. One of the things I like about the caprese skewers is that they're easy to walk around and eat. They're cool, so if you're outside and it's a little warm, it can cool you down a little bit, along with your refreshing drink, and it doesn't weigh you down. It's not too sweet. It's not, not going to make you really thirsty, and that's probably something else you should have too. And then I've also got some Pellegrino. If you don't want a mocktail nor a cocktail, if you'd like some water, you can do the same thing. And I would probably do a big pitcher of water and cut some fruit up in it. I'd probably put some strawberries and some blackberries in it. They want the fizz that you get from a soda or from Prosecco, but they don't want the sugar. You can do the same thing with sparkling water. I'm going to wrap all this up and take it with me to the white party. Karen, I'm on my way. Thanks for tuning in and thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed my video. And now that you've made it this far to my video, make sure you click the link down in the description box to check out the videos of the other content creators participating in this collaboration. I also want to take a moment to stop and thank Karen for inviting me to participate to her summer white party. I had lots of fun. And if you haven't already, make sure you hit the subscribe button below along with that notification bell. Hit it twice, this way you'll be notified when I upload new videos, and I upload new videos multiple times a week. I'd love it if you took a moment to leave me a comment, and I'd also love it if you gave me a big thumbs up. And with that being said, thanks for tuning in. You have a blessed day, and I'll see you right back here next time on Creative Glam. Bye!